going on, guys? Will back with another video in the burnout barn. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit of a mess right here, but we still got Patrick's car in here and trying to get the motor swapped on that. Actually, you can see we got his old motor pulled out, and there it is right there. That's his old motor. Had some head issues, and then this is his new motor. You can see that big old nice, I think it's a Precision, it says Turbonetics turbo on it, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, Precision turbo. It's gonna be pretty badass. And I also got some new car parts back here. I'll show you guys for my 240. Ooh, what could it be? Car parts. Oh yes. What is this? ISR Performance. 5-lug hubs, yes. So this is the paint I got for my 240. Just got some Rust-Oleum primer. I'm gonna spray this out of an actual like paint gun, not just a spray can, and some tape to mask off everything. And then I'm just gonna go classic white on the whole roll cage and the whole rest of the car. So if you guys haven't seen some of the latest videos I've posted, I got the roll cage put in my car. Chris Ward from Top Garage did a freaking killer job on this cage. As you can see, he got the freaking, I forget what you call this bar right here, but one of the main bars right on that A-pillar, welded straight to it. Super good job. Even this top bar through here, hopefully you can see, that's welded all the way to the car. The bends are perfect. This door bar right here will actually work with the door panels when I put them back on. I just got them out right now because that's actually what I'm gonna be doing today is getting this thing ready for paint. You can see I just got the roll cage in here the other day and it's already starting to rust, which is normal. So basically I'm just trying to get figured out what I'm gonna do with a lot of these wires. I don't know if I'm gonna try to tuck them up under through there, or I don't know where exactly people are putting them, if they're just taking them out and rewiring the whole thing, or not really sure. If any of you guys know that in the comments, definitely let me know. The cars that have like no wires in them, are they hiding them somewhere? Which I might figure out where they're hiding them when I start doing this, but or they're just getting rid of them and then rewiring the whole harness and everything back up, which I don't think that's what they're doing, but I'm gonna try to figure out. I'm thinking maybe put them up under here, like come up if I have enough reach, if it can do that and come through here. And then I got to weld that little thing. As you can see, it was cut out, you know, it used to go across there, it was cut out for the cage, and I just kind of left a little piece through there, and I'm gonna weld those shut, so just seal them up and everything, and then mask it off and it'll be ready for paint. So I think my plan now, the more I've looked at this, I guess you call it the body harness, it looks like all these wires come through here and they basically just wrap all the way around and then stop right there. It doesn't go back to the front of the car, it just kind of plugs up to some stuff. So what I think I'm gonna do, instead of trying to mask off each little connector, which is what I was originally planning on I was gonna do, just put tape over them and then paint over the wires, which kind of sounded a little bit sketchy. I think I can actually just unplug all these wires all the way around and then just push everything to the front up there in the dash, and then just mask off the whole dash and everything, and I'll be completely good to go. And then just when it's done, roll all the wires back out and hook everything back up and it'll be perfect. So the more I've started undoing these wires, the more excited I'm getting, because you can see it's exactly like what I thought. All these wires just connect to each one of these things, and I can push all of it back in the dash, and it's gonna make life so much easier when I go to paint this thing, and I'm so excited. I can't even tell you guys how freaking stoked I am to see this right here, baby. All those wires completely disconnected and just laying in one spot. Like, don't even know the amount of frustration that just saved me, and I'm so excited. Like, y'all might not even think this is a big deal, but like, holy crap. I don't even have to mask off the connectors. I don't have to paint over these wires. I can just push all this shit in the front of the dash and just mask the whole damn thing, and it's gonna be so much better, and I'm so excited. Probably a little bit too excited, so I'm weird. So, as you can see, I just got all the wires. I put like some zip ties on them to kind of group everything together, and I've just basically put even more zip ties just to hold everything up there, and I'm just gonna put like big brown like the brown paper and masking tape and everything over that, and then just mask off everything else on the car, and it'll be pretty much ready for paint after that. And I'm super excited. Alright guys, I think it's gonna do it for this video. I got a lot done on this car. I'm really happy with all the stuff I got done on the wiring, and I just vacuumed it out, and basically you just need to mask it off or sand it, mask it off, do all that fun stuff, and then it'll be ready for paint. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. I got some more fun videos. Some really awesome car parts should be here either tomorrow or the next day, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you like this video, make sure you drop a like down below, and if you really like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.